Hola, Señora Vaz with instructions for today. For your actividad inicial, you're going to complete an activity on SpanishSpanish.com. So you just need to complete this activity. Once you have your score, that needs to be 80% up. You're going to take a screenshot and submit it right here in the space provided below. That's for your actividad inicial. We're going to start with our new chapter today. The name of the chapter is ¿Qué te gusta hacer? That means what do you like to do? In this chapter, we're going to learn how to say some activities that we like or don't like to do. Also, we are going to be able to express agreement or disagreement according to likes and dislikes, what people like to do, what people don't like to do. Here I put a link for the vocabulary too. We were reviewing that last class. The slideshow that has the words, and if you go back to the video last class, you can hear the pronunciation of the words. There's the link with the Quizlet to the Quizlet, and then there's a link to a song, a video that I made. And this is your activity for today. So all this is for you to review and to remember, and then to refresh, and then put in practice here. So when you go to your activity, you have the video here. You're familiar with this type of activity, and you play here. Each one of these is a question. Please be sure that you are thinking, looking, watching, listening when you answer your questions, because this one does not have a redo. So you need to answer correctly. If you had doubts about how to answer, what to say, please let me know. They're all multiple choice. It's going to give you the score at the end. Today, you don't have to submit anything else, but just completing the Edpuzzle activity. And just use this tool that I put in here for you to learn the new vocabulary. That's it. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.